Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Post on the block, go live, we gon' hit that bitch like 3-4 switches live. Bitch wanna do this dick cause she know I'm rich, nigga know I'm rich. Off of X, I done lost my top, Mr. Perk, I'm itching bad, don't look suspicious. Put your bitch in the SITC, say I drive too fast when the rain is drifting.
Alright, y'all boys, just got done enjoying this amazing Chinese plate. But the main mission to go in there was to get the IG on the side. Y'all see, I chose white. I low-key could have got blue or red, but I feel like white still go with the car though, I ain't gonna lie. It's like an offset for the colors, you feel me? Instead of just it being like two-tone, if that makes sense. Also, let me know what color I should paint my supercharger lid as well. My three choices are really red, blue, or white. Bye, we finna get back in the car.
Lately I've been around, all my brothers told me gotta keep it tight. Keep a stick on me everywhere I go, cause niggas never wanna fight. BB's bustin', bitch look at my neck, nigga stones oh so bright. OD geek shit, bitch I'm in the passenger seat, riding around with Mike. Talking crazy, nigga that gets you know I'm fucking around and lose your life.
Ooh, what they did right there? That thing clean, boy. It's a RS5. Should've just ran past him, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why I got behind him. I also gotta get the little portable mic to throw in by my supercharger, by my intake as well. I gotta get some rollers with it, and I'm gonna try to do a POV with it. I know that's gonna be fire. Throw my mid pipe on, I ain't gonna lie, so I can get as loud as I was in my scat. I miss being OD loud. This motherfucker got some noise to it, but it ain't OD loud like my scat. My scat was obnoxiously loud. And I got plans to make this louder than the scat too, so y'all just wait, just stay tuned, boy. Stay tuned. Downshift sound like, I don't even know what to describe it as no more. Oh, I was supposed to go left, I'm dumb. Oh well. They say no U-turns, guess what? We gonna pop a Yui. Go, 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 go. Ooh, that was a weak little slide. I keep dropping my phone. Thing can't catch grip to save his life, boy, literally. There goes sheriff right there. He ain't paying me no mind, cause I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing illegal. I'm just hitting the gas. looking at me like I'm crazy. She hit that wine, boy. She hit that wine. Everybody in this lane. It's 2 left turning lanes. Or everybody in the far right one. Comment down below y'all favorite breakfast meal too. Mine gotta be pancakes. I don't know why I'm thinking of breakfast right now. I just ate some Chinese food for lunch. I had some waffles this morning though. Them things hit. But waffles can't compete with pancakes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They tough, right? They tough, but like pancakes is just something else. Bruh, I hate when people get over and slow down. You're supposed to pick up speed when you merge into another lane. Like, what are you doing? Like, bro, that's like a 10-car gap right there. What are you doing? Oh. Like, bro, on my scat, I used to know every time that it was going to get sideways, I would know beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like I was one with the car, you feel me? Like, obviously, because I had it for, you know what I'm saying? I had it for like a year. But like, you feel me? With this car, I still gotta learn, like, when it's gonna get sideways, because I be unexpectedly getting sideways. The scat, like, I knew exactly when it was gonna get sideways, what I had to do, basically. You feel me? It's like it was planned in the scat, but in this, like, I'll be like, oh, snap. I ain't even know I was putting down, you know what I'm saying, this much pedal to get sideways, you feel me? All I can do is just sit here and pat, man. All this traffic. Bro, if y'all don't let this school bus go, bro. You gotta do, gang. See, my young drivers watching this, when you driving, you gotta watch everybody, bro. You're not just worried about your actions. Your actions come second, for real. You gotta watch everybody else's actions, man, when I tell you. That's the quickest way to cause an accident, bro. You only focused on what you're doing, you feel me? You gotta focus on what everybody else doing. You gotta predict their moves. Just to run into more traffic, man. Whew. My exhaust popped way more though, I ain't gonna lie. Well, do it? I don't know. My scat was popping, but I feel like this car pop a little bit more when they get hot versus the scat. They both was popping though. When I take these cats off, I know it's gonna be popping crazy. And wait till I get that tune. But shit, we at our destination now. Finna wash this little dirty mug. This little dirty bug. This little dirty cat. I appreciate y'all boys for checking this vid out, you feel me? And I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.